Hello guys! Hello! Kumusta? How are you everyone? Welcome back to my home cooking channel, Almita's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to make a seafood recipe. Shrimp, coconut milk with vegetable. Okay, let's get started. Our ingredients are spinach, eggplant, bell peppers, shrimp, tomato, ginger, garlic, yellow onion. Did I mention shrimp? Jumbo shrimp, coconut milk, and seafood stock. And we have our seasonings, salt and pepper. We have sugar and vegetable seasoning. So we'll heat up our wok. Let me get some oil. This time I'm gonna use canola oil. We'll just put a little bit too much. Already, we add garlic first, as always. Garlic. And then we add our ginger. Ahos loya. You just wanna stir it for a minute or less than a minute. And I have whole yellow onion here, guys. I like this recipe with a lot of vegetable. So you add that. Next, and then stir it. Stir. I can smell the garlic and the ginger. It's smelling good in here already. And then we add our Roman Catholic Roma tomato. Alright? And that. So, guys, garlic, ginger, onion, and tomato. Sa mga dili kasabot og Bisaya, guys, atong ining listen arong makamao sila luto gani nga putahe. Okay? I'm just saying that for those viewers that doesn't understand my dialect, which is Visayan, I will speak it in English. Even though my English is broken. But I will try my best. Okay? And then now, next is atong isunod ang shrimp. We'll add the shrimp. Add everything in there. and mix it. Uh-oh, my doggo is squeaking, playing her toy. Okay, now that's all mixed in with all the ginger, tomato, onion, and garlic. We will season it with salt and pepper. What are you doing, Kiwi? Are you cooking with mommy? Huh? Are you cooking with mommy, Kiwi? And then we will add our seafood stock. Okay, we'll add just a little bit. About probably half a cup. Yeah, you don't want to add too much because again, this is not a soup recipe. And also the shrimp releases its juices. Okay, so that is done for now, and we will cover it and we let it simmer until the shrimp is halfway cooking, like you know when they turn a little pinkish or orangey kind of color, and then we will come back and then we add our bell pepper and the eggplant and also the spinach. Okay, while we're waiting, I'll go play with my doggo. All right, guys, couple minutes is up. Let's check. Let's check it. Check. Yeah, you see, the shrimp is starting to change color. It's a little bit orange or pink, I should say, but it's not all the way done yet. So now we can add our green and red bell peppers. Okay, just add them in like that, and also you add the eggplant. The eggplant, guys, I slice it and then I soak it in water, because if you don't, they will turn brown, yucky brown. So you just add it together with your bell pepper. Okay, and then we'll stir it. Stir, mix them. Gotta mix it. This is a very quick recipe. Easy. And then so now we can season it with our vegetable seasoning. Okay, just season it. Just put it for now, and then a little bit of our sugar. I hope that's sugar. Oh my god. And then we can add our coconut milk. Just use 1 can for this. Just pour it in. Just pour it in. There you go. There you go. And then we'll put a little bit of that salt and black and pepper, just a little bit. And for now, we have to cover it back and simmer it for another 5 minutes. Okay, and then you adjust your heat to medium high. All right, I'm back. Let's check our shrimp. Look, it's simmering. It is simmering. Look at this. Looking pretty. And we have to taste it. Look at this, guys. This is very easy. And another thumbs up. Huh, guys? If you like shrimp, you might like this recipe. Try it. Alright, let me taste it. Make sure I season it well. Oh, yummy. Very good. Yep. I can taste the shrimp, the vegetable, and the coconut milk. Okay, guys. Now, the final touch, we can add our spinach. You can put different vegetable in this, guys. Sometimes I make this with green beans and also the squash, kalabasa, guys. Kalabasa sa ato, diba? You can mix that too. The pumpkin, old pumpkin, and actually it add the sweetness to the recipe, the squash. But this time, instead of adding green beans, I add spinach. Add more greens to it, colors. And the spinach is good for iron, right? If you're low on iron, put more spinach. Okay, so there, just mixing it a little bit. And our vegetable is not quite done. So I'm gonna let it simmer for another couple minutes, and everything will be done. Done. Thy will be done. Okay, guys. 2 minutes is up. Here it is. Our recipe is done. Oh my goodness. Look how perfect it's this. Perfect. Yan na, guys. Mga unata, guys. Mga unata. Kinsay gigutom. Who's hungry? Our shrimp vegetable with coconut milk is done. We can turn the heat off. I'm gonna try it again. Taste it. Yes. Perfect. So this is another very quick and easy recipe, guys. if you like seafood, shrimp, this is a recipe that you wanna try at home. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button and share it and make it at home for you guys. Try it. And I will see you next time. Bye.